Meet the 2026 QJMotor COV 125X, a brand new enduro bike that looks the part, rides the trails, and won't destroy your wallet. A budget-friendly off-road machine that might just surprise you. This is the COV 125X, the off-road sibling of the COV 125 Supermoto, and yes, it's built to get dirty. Design and purpose. At first glance, this bike screams proper enduro. You get a high front fender, slim bodywork, handguards, and a high-mounted exhaust, everything you'd expect from a serious trail machine. And those wheels, a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear setup, wrapped in off-road tires. That alone tells you this bike is made for rough terrain, not city streets. Suspension and chassis. Underneath, it's built on a solid steel frame, paired with an inverted front fork with covers, and a rear mono-shock setup. This combo is designed to handle bumps, jumps, and uneven terrain without breaking a sweat. Brakes. Braking is handled by a 320mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, both with hydraulic calipers, so you get decent stopping power even when things get sketchy off-road. Engine and performance. Powering this lightweight machine is a 125cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with fuel injection. It produces 15 horsepower and 13 Nm of torque. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox, this setup is perfect for beginners, daily riders, or anyone looking for a fun and manageable trail bike. Pricing. In the UK, it's priced at £2,999. And in Europe, around €3,999. But here's the exciting part. If this lands in the Philippines, expect it to come in at around 169,000 pesos, making it one of the most affordable proper enduro bikes you can buy. For global estimates, USA, around $3,800 to $4,200. India, around 3.2 to 3.6 lakh rupees.